Hey there and welcome to another video. My name is Hugh, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a really cool tool that's inside of TradingView, and that is the backtesting function. So this allows you to take any trading strategy that you develop or any trading strategy that's been developed by a community member inside of TradingView, and you can backtest it and see how well it actually works. So I'm going to give you the benefits, the downsides of this, and I'll show you how to do it in action. All right, let's go. Okay, so first of all, TradingView changes up their paid, what's available on the paid and free plan. So I don't know which is which. I think this is available only on a paid plan. So take that into account. But in order to do your first backtest, you just go to Strategy Tester at the bottom of the screen, and then you can load your strategy. Now this could be a strategy that you created. You could create your strategy in this Pine editor here. You can also use other strategies that are available in the community. So let's do that because that's easier. Okay, so when you click on that button, go to strategies and look for a strategy that you want to test. So you can search by name. So let's say that you're looking for Bollinger Bands strategies. You have a bunch of technical strategies here. You have community scripts, and you have the author of the script here. So you can try all of these out. And the number on the right here, I believe, is the number of people who are using the script. So you can see the most popular ones at the top, and then it goes down. Oh, it's not necessarily sorted by that. So, okay, but generally it's kind of, it's mostly sorted by that. Okay, so that's how you get the strategies. Now let's test one. So let's see. Let's take this one. I have never tried this one before, but let's see what happens. Okay, so this is done on the daily charts of the pound US dollar. And let's see, how far does this go back? Okay, so this goes back to about 2002, but the Bollinger Band doesn't kick in to about 2003. All right, so not too many trades here, which is not very good or not very useful. And let's make this a little bigger. We can see that there was a tiny profit, but not really worth looking at. So what we can do is we can drop down to the 4-hour, and we can see what happened there. And a slightly higher number of trades, 19 trades, but still not really enough to put any faith in this trading strategy. So I'm gonna scroll back here and see. Yeah, okay. So I mean, it's executing some trades, but according to the stats, not really worth spending any time on. So let's try another strategy. So in order to remove this, you can just go to the object tree right there, and then hit X, and then that'll remove it. Now you load another strategy. Let's try Mr. Rob Booker's ADX breakout. Okay, so this one on the 4-hour chart is 35% profitable. Let's go up to the daily chart, 34% profitable. So this is, it looks like it's one of those strategies that has a low win rate, but is targeting a higher profit per trade. It does end up net profitable, and if we scroll back, the results go back to 2003. Okay, so again, not a wildly profitable nor highly accurate, not accurate, but it doesn't have a high win rate, right? So but that's how you examine these trading strategies, and you have to backtest this. You cannot just take any strategy from the community and start using it. Now that brings me to probably the only downside of this, and that is TradingView lacks a lot of historical trading data, at least on the lower tier programs. So on the daily chart, yeah, you can get back to 2003, but as you start moving down to like the 4-hour, 1-hour, you realize that there aren't actually that many or there isn't actually that much data available, so you might only get 2 or 3 years. Whereas if you really need to do a real backtest, you need the entire data set, right? And that's just not available. However, TradingView has added this deep backtesting feature, and that will give you all of the historical data and allow you to do a deep backtest. The thing with this is that you have to pay for the higher plans, which is fair. But that's why I prefer using something like Naked Markets, because I get the data downloaded and I don't have to pay extra for it. But you know, if that appeals to you, then get the higher plan, use the deep back testing, and that's cool. And the real benefit of this is that it's really quick, right? You saw me load the strategy and then I get the results right away and I can see it on the chart. So that's probably the biggest benefit of this backtesting system. And hopefully they roll out the deep backtesting to the lower tiers, but I'm not holding my breath on that one because I understand the cost in doing that. So that's fine. But that's how you use Strategy Tester. And remember to backtest all of your trading strategies before ever putting them into live. If you want to get a free trial to TradingView and test this out, link in the description below. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell if you want to get more videos like this. And thanks for watching.